Hello students, today I will teach you binomial heaps. It is the extension of binary heap. As we have studied in binary heap, there are two types of binary heap. One is min heap, another is max heap. What is binary heap property? Binary heap, in binary min heap, both the children at any node are greater than its parent. In case of max heap, both the children are smaller than its parent. Here we will study binomial heap. Binomial heap have several disadvantages over binary heap. Binomial heap is built using a structure called binomial trees, or we can say that it is the collection of several binomial trees. Now what is binomial tree? A binomial tree BK of order k is defined as follows. Here k is the order of the binomial tree. B0 is a tree with one node. Bk is a pair of two bk minus 1 trees, where root of 1 bk minus 1 becomes the leftmost child of the other for all k is greater than or equal to 0. Here we can see B0 is having only one node, B1 is having two node, or we can say two B0 binomial trees. B2 is having two B2 is having two B1 binomial trees. B3 is having two B2 binomial trees. Similarly, B4 is having two B3 binomial trees. This degree is also tells about the depth of the binomial tree. B0 binomial tree have depth 0. B1 binomial tree has depth 1. B2 binomial tree has depth 2. B3 have depth 3. Similarly, B4 have depth 4. So we can say that BK binomial tree have depth k. Here are the properties of binomial trees. The following property holds for binomial tree of order k. BK has 2 to power k nodes. We can see this property. In B0, k will be 0, so 2 to power 0 means 1. So we have only one node. In B1, this will become 2 to power 1. So number of nodes will be 2. In B2, k will be 2. So 2 to power 2 is 4. So here there are 4 nodes only. In B3, k is 3. So 2 to power 3 is 8. So there are 8 nodes in this binomial tree. In B4, the value of k is 4. So 2 to power 4 is 16. Here we can see that there are 16 nodes. So first property is clear. The height of the BK is k. This we have already discussed. BK has KCI nodes at level I for 0, I equal to 0 to 0, 1, 2 up to k. So this property can be seen with the help of this. At any level, suppose I am saying in B4 at level 1, what is KCI? K, what is K here? 4. 4C, I is level. 4C1 means factorial 4 upon factorial 1, factorial 4 minus 1, that is 4. So you can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 nodes at level 1. So similarly, we can see at other level also, like in the same case in B4, 4C2. What will be 4C2? Factorial 4 upon factorial 2 into factorial 4 minus 2. So 4 into 3 upon 2 into 2, 4. So there will be how many nodes? 6 nodes here. So we can see in any other binomial tree also. The root of BK has k children. B0, B1, B2 up to BK minus 1. As we can see, suppose this time we will take B3 binomial tree. So in B3 there are 3 children. One is B0, second is B1, third is B2. Similarly in B4, B0, B1, B2 and B3. where the ith child is binomial tree of order I. If binomial tree of order k has n nodes, then k will be less than equal to log n. Okay, so these are the properties of binomial trees. Now, what is binomial heap? Binomial heap is a collection of binomial trees that satisfies the following properties. No two binomial trees in the binomial heap have the same degree. That means in a binomial heap, every binomial tree have unique degree. Each node in the collection has a key. So every node have a key. There is no such node which is a null node. Each binomial tree in the binomial heap satisfies the heap order property. Heap order property, like the parent is always smaller than its children, and the root of every binomial tree have the least key of that binomial tree. So all the nodes are min heap ordered in binomial heap. Roots of the binomial trees are connected in a root list and are in increasing order of their size. Means in leftmost side, the binomial tree have the least order, and when we move further down the root list, the degree of binomial trees will be increasing. As we can see in this example, this root 1, it is the smallest one, then bigger bigger, then root 1, then root 3, then root 4. Here are some operations which generally performed on binomial heap. Merge is the key operation on binomial heap. Merge, insert, find min, finding the minimum of all children. Delete root, delete any node, and decrease the key. These are some of the operations. But main operation is merge in binomial heap. Now merging two binomial heaps. Now how to merge two binomial heaps? Suppose H1 and H2 are two binomial heaps. Then merge H1 and H2 into a new heap H and perform the union algorithm once in the merged heap. In union operation, there are four cases. What is case 1? When degree of x. What is x? X is the current root of the binomial tree. So when degree of x is not equal to degree of x, next of x, that means the degree of two adjacent binomial trees are not same. When x is the root of a BK tree and next of x is the root of the BL tree for some L is greater than K. Second case is when x is the first of three roots of equal degree. That is when degree of x equal to degree of next of x equal to degree of sibling of next of x. And there are case 3 and 4 when x is the first of the two roots of equal degree. That is when degree of x equal to degree of next of x is not equal to degree of sibling of next of x. So what is case 3 here? When key of x is less than equal to key of next of x. So next of x is having the greater key, so it will be linked to x and it will become the leftmost child of x. In case 4, when key of x is greater than equal to key of next of x, that means x is having the greater key than next of x, then x will become the leftmost child of the next of x. Here we can see the example. There are two heaps H1 and H2. When we merge these two heaps, then all the binomial trees will be in increasing order, like in figure B, 12, 18, 7, 27, 3, 15 and this. You can see this is B0, B0, B1, B1, B2 and this is B4. This is how we merge. Now we will consolidate it also. Here we will see what is the case in the here it is case 3. What is case 3? Here this is case 2 when degree of x is equal to degree of next of x and degree of sibling of degree of next of x is not equal. So it is case 3. So what we will do here, we will check the key of x and key of next of x. Here next of x is key of next of x is greater than key of x. So 18 will become the leftmost child of x. Here we can see. Now this will become x and this is next of x. This is sibling of next of x. So which is the case here when there are 3 nodes? So this is case 2 when degree of x equal to degree of next of x equal to degree of sibling of next of x. So what we did in this case, we simply move further in the root list. So this will become the x now here, and again we will check the degrees of x, next of x and sibling of next of x. Here key, here degree of x equal to degree of next of x but not equal to sibling of degree of sibling of next of x. So we have to merge these two. So which is the case? Here it is case 4 because the key of next of x is smaller than the key of x. So x will become the leftmost child of next of x, as we can see here. This next of x has become the leftmost child of x. So now this is next of x. Now again these two binomial t's in this binomial heap have the same degree. So again there will be either case 3 or 4. So which is the case? Here it is case 3 because key of x is smaller than key of next of x. So next of x will become the leftmost child of x. Here we can see. So now you can see that all the binomial t's have the unique degree. The degree of this binomial t is 1, here it is 3, here it is 4. So this is after the union operation we can see that every binomial t have unique degree. This is the algorithm for this. What we have done here, simply first we merge two binomial heaps, then we start these operations like in case 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is very simple. There are some other operations. Insert. How we insert in binomial heap? Make a new heap H0 with the new node. Now apply binomial heap union, same as we have done just now. Means we are having an existing binomial heap. The key which we are inserting in the binomial heap, we assume that this is another heap and we simply merge these two binomial heaps and apply union operation on that. Finding a minimum key will always be in the root list of the binomial heap. So root list is simply a linked list. We apply linear search in that linked list. So there are log n number. There are log n binomial trees in a binomial heap. So cost of finding the minimum key will be big of log n. Delete root. Suppose we have to delete a node from the root. Then what we have to do? We will search that binomial tree which is having the least key and we delete that. We bifurcate the binomial heap into two parts from that point and we simply delete that node and rearrange binomial t's in heap S2 and then again apply the merge operation on the two heaps. Delete any node Means suppose the node which we are going to delete is not uh, in the root, then what we will do? To delete a node except in root, decrease its key to minus infinity. Means we simply decrease that node to minus infinity and reheapify up to the root. Then delete the root as well as we have done previously in case of deletion of a root. In case of decrease key operation, decrease the key and compare and exchange with its parent until its parent becomes smaller than its parent. Thank you.